What up, though? It's your boy October Duncan, that crypto.
And what's up? This is IE Bailey.
All right, and we got this lesson today. We're gonna show you how to start your own NFT collection. It's a question I get commonly all the motherfucking time. People ask me, how do I start an NFT collection? I want to drop my own NFT about this, or how is it? What is a million questions about NFTs. We're gonna show you how to start your own collection right here in this video. Stay to the end, and you'll see we'll start a collection. And actually, you can go actually purchase the collection on OpenSea. So it'll be live. You'll be able to see it. Let's go.
Alrighty. This whole process is pretty simple, but I want to stress to everybody, make sure that you pay particular attention to every step that you do, especially once you get to the minting process and everything. But right now, we're uploading a simple file, which is the very first step that they show us.
Yeah, you want to upload our your image, and it has to be in certain format. You can go on Rarible uh beforehand, rarible.com, so you can check what the format settings are. But you can get your nice spinny one. You can have it as just a standard image, whatever you need to do. So we're gonna upload our October Duncan our Octo Air NFT logo that we got worked on. We worked on it a couple days ago. We're gonna upload it here and see how it looks, y'all. You do.
And yeah, this Air is a great concept I've been working on for a minute, and I'm happy
Nice.
to finally um, start to do things with it. And I think this is a perfect collaboration we got going on here.
Definitely, definitely. So we're gonna take the NFT and we're gonna just because we're just dealing with it and we're gonna get it into our wallets right now, we're gonna set the we got the price set at 0.025. Uh and we got it at a fixed price. We're not bidding it out, and we don't have no timed auction going on the item.
Yeah, and then as you all can see, like there are many widgets in up under the price, like unlock once purchased. You can put a lot of different things like Discord links, special websites to products that your NFT holders have access to once they purchase. And so, as the arrow is pointed to right now,
Yeah, I see it got down there redeemable T-shirts with logo and stuff like that. So you got a lot of different ways to make your money, make your coin, and then you want to go into the free minting.
yeah, that free minting section, pay attention to that because if you don't have it selected, then you will pay the gas fees to mint, and of course, uh, everyone that buys your NFT will pay the gas fees once they mint instead of having free minting, which means that it'll be simply stored on the Rarible platform and not into their wallets.
Yeah, so that's one way you could do it. You can just keep it on a Rarible platform and sell it straight out of Rarible if you want to. Start your collection and sell your collection. We're gonna set this up with about 6% royalties. I think 6% is a fair number, like 6% sales tax. That's sales tax in Michigan, right? And that's where we from. We from Detroit,
Yeah,
so yeah, we're gonna do 6% sales royalties on this particular NFT, and we're gonna do 1,000 copies, and just a little bit about what you're gonna get with this particular non fungible token. You'll be able to redeem it. You can send it to either me or Skip, and we redeem it. It's almost like a if you want to show your coin or you want us to discuss your project, your NFT project, or what you got going on, you can read our description a little bit more. You can join the Discord and you will be able to, do a video about your project. We'll scour the information we can find on it. But the thing is, we're not going to pull no punches. If we don't like it,
nope.
we ain't, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be honest opinion. But tell them a little bit more about what they get with it.
Yeah, so as you see, we're clicking create item right here. And so uh here is the upload process. And while that's going, you guys will be able to enjoy some great benefits with this. As we grow, your benefits grow. So we want to make sure that we want to have all of our members, new and old, help us grow our community. And as our communities grow, both of ours grow, and we'll grow those rewards as well. And so,
Hey, we've minted our
yeah.
NFT. Look at that. It's just that simple, y'all. It don't take all
Yeah.
day. You know.
Now I'm gonna backtrack just a couple seconds to show everybody something. It's a pause really quick. Okay. So here at the mint section, it won't stay like that. You will have to, of course, have your MetaMask connected, and your MetaMask will go into an approve section, as well as you will have to approve the gas fees that are required to mint your NFTs. And once that happens, you get this screen right here.
Yeah.
And
So
I
do
would
when
I
gas
will
fees are
tell
low.
you, yes, make sure you track your gas fees. Track the gas fees so that you can catch it at a low price. Don't just go in guessing, have a whole bunch of failed transactions, or even have a couple of transactions that go through, fail, and then you find out you lost some ETH. And ETH is very valuable around here. Ever since that
Man,
EIP dropped, ETH has been burning like crazy. Within the next 5 to 10 years, ETH will be a very, very scarce crypto to come across, and people will be holding on to it with dear life.
definitely,
uh,
definitely.
you know,
So we minted our NFT finally. So this is the Octo Air. We're gonna get access. Tell them about the rabbit hole and everything like that, Skip, and the
yeah. So basically, the rabbit hole that's in our Discord. That's our Discord group. That will be a holder only Discord group where we will have a free area, free general area for everybody to just check out, check the temperature of the group, both of our groups combined, see what's going on. But the rabbit hole, that's definitely going to be NFT holder only group chat, to where we will definitely update every NFT holder first, and every NFT holder will get direct contact with us whenever you all want to redeem your NFT and get it burned for whatever service that you wish to turn your NFT in for, as
perfect,
well
perfect.
as receiving rewards in the future for that NFT. So when you go down the, we're gonna learn a lot of things. A lot of things are gonna happen, and it's just gonna be a great time, all around
Perfect.
great time.
Definitely, definitely. And then the last thing I would definitely want to touch on is that you'll redeem the token. You'll be able to just the basics. You'll be able to redeem the token. You'll be able to get that video, and you once you get into the rabbit hole, you'll be able to get other giveaways and other things like that that'll be happening on Bailey's channel and my channel. We'll be doing giveaways as well. So as soon as people start getting interested, we'll definitely start cranking out. Well, we might, it depending on, it might be themed. So we might do some stuff, depending on what the holiday is. You know what I mean? I don't know. I won't be in the giving spirit like other people do, but you know.
Yeah, yeah. We this road is not going to be, it's not going to be a quick journey. We're in it for the long haul. So everyone that purchases an NFT invests in the journey that we point on. So anybody
You
that
clicked out there
purchases
for a
this,
minute.
and can you hear me?
Yeah, you clicked out there for a second, but uh, yeah, you go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah, yeah, I'm done. If
Oh,
you have
the other thing I
anything else
wanted
to
to
say.
say, that one thing I wanted to let them know is that they need to like and subscribe to this video if they want more NFT content, different cryptocurrency related stuff, and as well as they want to follow a video because now that you have your NFT, what are you gonna do with it? How do you sell it? All of these things. We got
Definitely,
videos,
definitely.
follow ups on how to post on OpenSea and different things like that. So come check us out. Let us know what you think.
Yes, and we want community engagement. We want everybody to engage, even if you're not subscribed. Comment. If you're not doing anything, the least you can do is comment or like. And again, I'm Bailey. Come follow me at IEBAILEE, and you can find me on all social media platforms by that name, as well as Air at Air Life, AERELIFE on Instagram for more information on everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. Me, October Duncan, we out.